Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. And today I will be showing you how to make an animation with the IDLE Python Interactive Shell. So go to Google Chrome and go to http:// invpy.com/cat.png, and then this will open up, and then what you need to do is you need to open https://invpy.com/catanimation.py, and then you need to copy all of this, and you need to save the image. And once you've saved the image, you'll go to your downloads and locate this, and you need to find where your Python is. Mine is in the default app data. Mine is in the default app data local programs, Python 36, and then from here you have to copy this and then paste it into here before you do anything of this. And then you have to go to File, and then you have to open a new file, and then paste all of this in. So you have to copy and paste all of that in, but I've already done that. So once you've done that, what you need to do is you need to wait, let me open my module. So once you have that up, then you go to run. Then you go to run, and then you go up here, and then you click run, and then you click run module, or you can just press F5, and then it will just run, and there you have your animation. By the way, if it's not working for you, then make sure you copy all of this, all of it, just like my screen. And if this isn't coming up, I'll put the link in the description so that you can be satisfied with an animation. Also, if this is too slow for you and you want to make it faster, and by the way, you can do this, I think you can do this with any PNG file. So like, I don't know, if you wanted to search up like Roblox, oof, and you see all of this, you go to images and you find a PNG file, name it oof.png, save this. Then you find where it is, and you can use up here oof.png. Then I undid my copy, so redo my copy. Oh, and you have to click on the words, and then you copy it. Then you go over here, you paste it, and then you have to change it to oof, and then oof.png, and then oofx, oofy. Basically anything that has cat, you should put to oof or whatever you named it. I'm just gonna do that real quick. And make sure you get all of them, not just some of them. And make sure you only go to you only backspace to C, not backspace anymore, because then the code might not work. And once you've checked for everything, then just run your module. And I'm pretty sure. Oh. And if you get an X, that means you missed one. And I missed one right here, so you have to. And what it does is it runs everything. So all of this, all of this went smoothly until it hit this, and it wasn't the right file. So you just want to make sure that all of them are there. Cat X is not defined. There might be a lot of them. Cat Y. So make sure you don't miss any. And you can just keep checking. Oh, cat X is not defined. That's a lot of. Oh, right here I missed one too. So let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. So you can basically do this with any PNG image. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this was useful, and see you guys next time.